Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give you the main technique of stammering treatment. Stammering is a condition where you're not able to speak fluently. Sometimes you may get stuck and sometimes you may speak with prolongation and you're not so fluent. And it is a very, very difficult time when you speak with improper fluency. You're not fluent. And it is very difficult to speak during job interviews or in the meetings at your workplace or in the parties you attend. So here are the techniques I'm going to share. First, you have to sit back, relax, leave your body loose, sit at a comfortable place, and first step is to do deep breathing. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Here is the second step, which is phonation. You are going to do with me. First, do breathing. Breathe in, and while leaving the breathing, say one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10. And in the same way, you can continue it till 50. Gradually, you can increase the time and numbers. Initially, you can start from 1 to 10. Then you can increase it till 20, then 30, then 40, 50, and you can go till 100. These are the exercises that help you in relaxation, breathing, and these help you coordinating your speech with your breathing. So breathing coordination, which helps you in speaking fluently later on. And this is a technique that you can use while speaking also. When you speak normally, you just start coordinating your breathe while speaking. So do breathing, and while releasing, you have to speak. This will definitely help you in improving your fluency. Okay? So thank you, and we'll definitely share next step with all of you. Thank you.